In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to get custom alerts for follows, subscriptions, gifted subscriptions, and hosts on Kick, easily and quickly. We'll be using Kicklet for this because it's not only a flexible chatbot, but also offers many variations for different alerts and is super easy to use. If you haven't used Kicklet yet, you'll need to sign up here at the top. After that, we can start setting up the alerts. For this, click on Widgets under Graphic Design in the side menu. If you don't have any widgets yet, your page will look like this, and you can click on New Widget. If you already have some, simply switch to the gallery at the top. Here, you can filter your search by alerts. You'll see there are various alerts, and more are constantly being added. Simply choose what you like best. For demonstration purposes, I'll take the GIF text alert because you can select your own GIFs for the different alerts. So, we click on it once and can then choose a name here. This is just a name for us, so we can recognize what we made it for. You can leave it on default and press Save. Here we can now configure the alerts as we like. We can choose colors for the texts or change the animation of how the alerts appear. Play around here until you're satisfied with the result. To see what you've configured, you can always test the individual alerts by switching the tab at the top to the respective alert. For example, we click on Follow and can now press Test. Here, you can then choose whether this type of alert should be active or not. For example, if I want to show everything but not follows, I can simply remove the check mark here. Now, I want to configure my host messages. For this, I want to select a different GIF. You have the option to search the library for existing GIFs or upload your own. The same applies to sounds. So take something that exists or upload your own files if you prefer something entirely your own. It's entirely up to you. Be creative with your alerts to excite your viewers. Once we have everything set up and are satisfied with the result, we click on Save at the bottom. We're almost done. The only thing left to do is to integrate this widget into our OBS. Just click on it to open this dialog. This has been made super simple as you don't need to add a new source, but can simply drag this green box into your OBS window and press Yes. This automatically adds the source in the correct size, and you just need to place it where you'd like. In my case, I'm keeping the alerts very simple, down here on the left, but you can also place them in the middle, whatever you prefer. To now test if everything has worked, you can go back to your dashboard and edit the widget. Click on Test again for an alert, and if you see it here in OBS, you've configured everything correctly. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord and ask. That's it from me with the video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.